Do you know 80% of sales requires at least 5 follow-ups? There are studies who says only 2% of sales happens on the first contact. Do you still wonder how you can leverage email campaigns and convert really well? First, create a solid email list. Make sure that all the email address you have are verified and well targeted for your audience. Second, making sure that your website has a good reputation and IP reputation by making sure that you are running a warm-up email campaigns on your G Suite or Outlook or whatever you are using. Third, making sure you're using a nice automation tool like Mailshake, Apollo and many more like that. Fourth, make sure that messaging is clear and strong and you are talking about the pain points of your audience, not fluff, not bullshit, nothing else. Clear and straightforward messaging is very important. Lastly, you're using some sort of CRM so that all the leads coming in from the email campaigns goes to CRM and then you are taking follow-ups and contact to the leads and then nurture it. If somebody is not responding, make sure you have like 5-day follow-up cycles like I mentioned in the beginning, like day 1 opening email, day 3, day 5, day 7, day 11, day 15. So you have like 5 follow-up sequence, or you can maybe have like 6 follow-up on the day 21. Making sure that all the follow-ups goes automatically from the tools, and then you will see crazy amount of success with your email campaigns. That's 1 minute of marketing.